Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 1995 Honda NSX-R GT. So this is by Majorette from their new premium lineup. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So this is one of the casting I was really excited to even buy first of all, because there is one more brand. I think Pop Race, if I'm not wrong, they're doing this casting. So it literally looked very similar in pictures, compared to the Majorette ones. So I'm really hoping that Majorette really nails that part. Okay. So here is the card art. I really wish why they didn't put that logo here. For rest of the cars they did. For this one they didn't do. Not sure why. Okay. Let me just put this aside. The card arts are really nice in this series. Again, if you guys are wondering about the cases, literally every case looks similar, so nothing to really talk about there. I don't want to waste any time, guys. Okay, you can see my fingerprint there. Okay, hope the screw doesn't fall off. Done. Let's get into the casting now. Okay, here it is. So out of the box, man, the casting looks really nice. Okay, so it is a mix of metal and plastic here, but it looks really nice. Okay, so it has acrylic headlights here. I mean, inside that piece of acrylic, they actually painted that headlight, so that looks really nice. You can see the Honda logo here. The grill details are there, and I personally love this rear view mirrors. So these are actually plastic, these are not rubber or anything. And the interior on this one, man, that looks really nice. You can see the engine detailing here. They really crammed it, they put everything in there. That looks really good. I mean, when it comes to premium segments, at least the start of premium segments, this is what I'm expecting. Because see, I am a guy who collects things. I am not a reseller or anyone like that. So for me, this is what I look out. If I'm paying something somewhere around 800 or 900, I would expect at least this much. So personally for me, Majorette really nailed it. Okay, so this is a full metal casting. The body is fully metal, chassis is fully metal. So two things apart from the rear view mirror here, maybe three things. So the roof scoop here, this is plastic. This is actually attached with the windshield, rear windshield here, and this air intake here, this piece is actually plastic on both sides. And the spoiler here, that is also plastic. And the tail light, this is also acrylic. That looks really nice. The exhaust, you can see the exhaust detailing here. They actually painted silver here, I mean, so that it can stand out. I mean, they did it really well. I mean, okay, so the wheels are actually, tires are rubber and the rims are plastic. But honestly, the casting looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting now. It doesn't feel really heavy at all. I'm hoping somewhere around 25 to 30 grams. Wow, 35 grams. That I didn't expect. Okay. So I'm like, okay, let's see if it has suspension. Yeah, it does have suspension. So it is not going to roll at all. It is not even moving. Okay, these are collector level models, so rolling is not aspect for me. Okay, let's rate this casting. Again, guys, I'm not seeing any flaw in this casting at all. Nothing is missed out. Everything is there. I mean, it looks really, really nice. So solid 10 out of 10 once again. Majority really nailed in this segment. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.